Alrighty then. That's Wilbur. Wilbur. Yo, man, it's Bergie with Trilogy Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Welcome. What are we doing? Oh, yeah, 2018-19 Never Neck Trilogy Hockey. One box break. Pick your team number one. So we sold out. So, listen, we've done 2 boxes already out of this inner case of 10. So this will be 1 box. So we'll be down to 7. So we got boxes 2 through 9. We rolled... For the 2-box break the other night, we ended up rolling number 1 and number 10. So we bookended it and killed it with those 2 boxes. I mean, it was nice. Casey Milstead, we'll still be talking about that little guy for a while. But anyhow, let's get on to this one here. So we out of stock. We sold it out. I'm just going to pop over to here. I'm going to show you guys the names on the page. So here's who bought what. Cal Bro, you had the Ducks. Brad, you had the Bruins. Dan, you bought the Sabres. Diego T, you bought the Flames. Claude P, you got the Hurricanes. Claude P came in and bought the last 5 teams. Shout out to Claude P. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Brad C got the Blackhawks. Claude P got the Avalanche. Diego T, you bought the Jackets. Claude P, you bought the Stars. The Red Wings, you bought the Red Wings. Claude P, you got the Oilers. David P, you got the Panthers. Claude P, you got the Kings. The Red Wings, you bought my Wild. Good luck with the Wild. David P, you got the Canadians. Cal Bro, you got the Predators. Diego T, you got the Devils. The Red Wings 40, you got the Islanders. D-Mark got the Rangers. The Red Wings 40, you got the Senators. Diego T got the Flyers. D-Mark got the Penguins. Nice pickup there. Claude P, that was your last spot on your order, so I gave you the last spot mojo on the St. Louis Blues. Diego T, you got the Sharks and Arizona Coyotes. Claude P, you got the Tampa Bay Lightning. Brad C, you got the Leafs. Dave N, you came in and bought the Vancouver Canucks. Good luck with the Canucks. New customer in town, we got T-Dog 127. He got the Vegas Golden Knights. Brad C, you got the Capitals. And T-Dog got the Winnipeg Jets. So that's our teams that were in the list. So let's go over here to rundom.org. So we got to go to home. Hopefully this is going to show. Bam, it does. We got to change this to 2. And we got to change this to 9. And it's kind of hard to see. The numbers are there, but it's number 2. You see right there. It's not going to focus in for you because it's being goofy. It's on autofocus. And then number 9 is way at the bottom down here. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how that goes. I don't want to go too much higher because then you're going to see the screen. All right, so here we go. We're going to roll it. Generate 1 box. Off and away. Good luck on the box. Boom. Box 7. Lucky number 7. Out of the hole. Number 7 right there. So let me just go put these down here. Now you got the fire going, so we'll see what happens. Let's get those in there like that. Alright, so that's that. Let's roll over here to the scene. Your names are rolling on the bottom. Again, like I said, that's box 7. I might have to mess around with the camera real quick. And we'll go configure like this. Gotta do a little video input like that. Yeah, that's what's going on. Oh yeah, high CPU usage. There we go. Click. So, 1819 Trilogy Hockey. Collect 3 levels of rookie cards, including common, uncommon, and rare versions. There's your sticker. There's your number on the back, number 7. All right. And let's go over here to the list of names. So I got the list of names. I'm going to move this down out of my way a little bit like that. All right. That should be good. Let's go. Good luck. Off and away we go. The fresh cut of Trilogy. Oh, we got 2. Look, we got 2 of these in the box. What's up with that? Ooh, maybe there's a little mojo going on. Little mojo. So take the cards, empty box, empty box. I just got to move this cable like that so it's underneath my arm. There we go. We're starting on the left side here. Here we go. Good luck. PK Subban as your base. Mark Stone, Ottawa Senators base. McAndre Fleury, Vegas Golden Knights base. And behind him we have a red parallel of Philadelphia Flyers, your star, your guy, Shane Coutier. That is 298 out of 425. That's going out to the Philadelphia Flyers. And that is, who bought the Flyers? Diego T. Congratulations, Diego T. And behind him, we have a blank. So there you go. Grab that. So I kind of move my stuff around, my supplies. So I will penny sleeve. Oh, wait a minute. These are the wrong sleeves. What up with that? Hold the dough. Okay, maybe there was just a couple of them that were wrong. All right, well, you got a bigger sleeve. There you go. 298 out of 425. Diego T, congratulations. Shane Coutier. Next box. Next pack. Two to the front. Dylan Larkin base. Braden Holtby, Washington Capitals base. Connor McDavid, Edmonton Oilers base. So it should be 3 base. And our Trilogy blue silver parallel Chicago Blackhawks. Patrick Kane. Wow, way nice. Nice looking card. That's 29 out of 799. So that's kind of a higher print silver parallel. This is like a blue silver. Just a cool looking card, man. When you guys get these cards, you're going to be like, dang, these are nice. So Chicago, that's Brad C. Just bought them. And we have a blank. So congratulations, Brad, on that. Patrick King. So I do top load, penny sleeve and top load all the hits. And then I penny sleeve your base cards that are over here. So when I send them out to you. I will not top load your pennies. I will not top load your base cards unless it's like only one card. Then I'll top load it for you. So let's. We got something looking good back there behind there, so I'm not going to pull them all to the front. Connor McDavid, Connor Hellebuyck. We ended up getting a really nice card in the last box. Base, Winnipeg Jets, Toronto, Mitch Marner. Boom! Shakalaka! Wow! Ryan Hartman. Wow, Chicago Blackhawks signature puck. Oh, dude. Sweet. Put that back there. Wow, look at that autograph. Look at that puck. Check that puck out, man. That is just kicking. Look how thick that card is. I'm going to touch it all with my finger here. So, Chicago, Brad. There you go. A little Brad Luck coming back to him now. Ryan Hartman. I actually got 2 hockey pucks of his guys autographed. So, very nice. Congrats. My first Trilogy hockey puck pull card. Awesome. Okay, so I don't get it. These should fit. Hello? What happened? Did I grab the wrong patch? Alright, so anyhow, I'm not going to mess around with it. We'll get in the top loader. So I'm just going to put it off the top up here right now. And then right behind him, we also had another card, which was a rookie premiere. And remember I talked about Toronto, folks. Boom! Andres Johnson, level 1 rookie premiere. 203 out of 999. So remember I talked about Toronto? Toronto's going to have some big cards. They always do. There you go. Guess who had Toronto? Brad C. He bought Chicago Blackhawks and the Toronto Maple Leafs in this one box break. So He's getting it on right now. So there you go, Brad. Congratulations. Another blank. All right. Last pack of the left side. Let's see what we got. So we got one there. Ooh. We're going to pull that one up to the front. We got Phil Kessel with the Penguins. We got Ryan Suter with the Minnesota Wild. Jonathan Toews, Chicago Blackhawks. And behind Toews we have... Oh, can you see it? Rookie Premier. We have another rookie. Another rookie. And it is Montreal Canadiens. Jespi Kokonami. Woo! Serious short print, brothers and sisters. Look at this. 8 out of 99. Another Kokonami. Wow. Montreal Canadiens. The Habs. David P. Congratulations. He bought up all 4 Habs in these one-box breaks. So like I said, if you buy a team, just don't buy one. Buy them all. Get it done. Congratulations. Look at that, man. Another nice hit. 8 out of 99. Nice short print. Low numbered. Rookie Premiers Trilogy. Nice. Congratulations. All right. On to the next pack. And let's see here. We're going to go like that. Pull him up to the front. Johnny Grudeau. Talked about the Calgary Flames earlier. 13-14 or 14-15 rookie. So he's coming into his own this season. Cam Atkinson. Columbus Blue Jackets coming to his season. And behind him, ooh, look at that. We got full leg. Warren. And nothing back there. So this is your big one. Carolina was sitting there. Claude P. There you go. Sat there all night long until Claude came in and took those last 5 spots. 56 out of 499. Fugel. Warren Fugel. Green. Rookies Premier. And it's got a little bit of a... I don't know what's going on with my top loaders today. They just don't want to. They don't want to go in. It's got a little patch in it, little black jersey on there, as you see. Level 1. Nothing on the back end. Nice card. Nice hit. Congratulations. There you go. Clyde P. All right, on to the next pack. And if you're new to my breaking side, I do break a little differently than other breakers out there. I like to look at the cards. The guys want to see the cards. They like to see the base cards. So I like to show everything. I like to show the cards off. That's what you're paying for. So Panthers, Mike Hoffman, Max Domi. Oh, that's a nice card for Max Domi, man. That's nice for the Habs. There's another Riley Smith. First one, base. And behind Riley Smith, we have, we got an Oilers. We got, two pucks, 1 box, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Darnell Nurse, signature puck trilogy. Look at that, Edmonton. Wow. Wow. Awesome. The Nurse Man. Edmonton Oilers, Claude P. Way to go. Congratulations. I have to grab my... Wow, so that's 2 pucks, 1 box right there. I'm telling you, man, these cards are sweet. This trilogy this year are nice looking cards. So, in 1 box? That's... Okay, so remember that. 1 box, 2 pucks. It isn't like we opened up 4 boxes to get those 2 pucks. Alex Ovechkin, Washington Capitals, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. And Sebastian Aho. And behind him, we got a trilogy. Black looking card. What was it? New York Islanders? It is. It is. It's a New York Islanders 3-color patch. Boom! Matthew Barzal. DL. Oh my. 51 out of 63. So 13 is his number. So it's not his jersey number, but wow, 85 points. So it's an 85 points for a season thing, but what's interesting, it's out of 63. Wow, New York Islanders, man. Like I said, that's Dread Wings, right? My boy, New York, you got my team. Yeah, the Red Wings 40. Nice, another hit. I'm telling you, these boxes are just sick. 2 pucks, a colored patch, 3 color patch. Another big old thick card. Well, let me see. Is this one going to fit in there? There we go. At least I got top loader there. So, okay. I think I just had some of the wrong packs. No. Nope. These cards are just a little bit thicker. I gotta grab my other ones. So, okay, last pack. On to the last one. Sorry. And here we go. 2 hard sign pucks too, man. Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask, base. Another Vegas Golden Knight, Jonathan Marchessault. This kid's a good kid. And then we had a New York Rangers, Kevin Shattenkirk. And behind Shattenkirk, we have a Trilogy. It looks like it's a silver base. So that's a $7.99. Washington Capitals, TJ Oshie, $7.99. $3.31. Washington Brad C. Brad C. just kicking it this break. Blank. Wow, congratulations to everybody on this break. Yeah, see, that one's a little bit bigger too. So, like I said, wow. Recap, 2 pucks, 2 autographed pucks. We got a Hartman and a Nurse, Darnell Nurse puck. The Hartman puck autographed on. We got a New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal, 51 out of 63. 3 color patch. We got the one we just seen, TJ Oshie from the Washington Capitals, numbered 331 out of 799. We got a Carolina Warren Foegele for Carolina Hurricanes. That little guy was 56 out of 499. And then we had Andreas Johnson. 203 out of 999 for the Leafs. We got ourselves a Kokonami out of 99 for the Habs. We got a Patrick Kane out of 799 silver base. And out of 799. And then we got ourselves a red 425 Shane Coutier, 298 of 425 for the Philadelphia Flyers. So again, thanks for getting in. Thanks for knocking that one out. We got 3 more in the store that we can knock out. You got 1 hour. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Bergie with Trilogy Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Peace out and God bless.